No, let's go. What's up, y'all? We out here at Kings Island. I just got done with my show. You know, got the sipping up some syrup, Coca-Cola style. I got my man, my bodyguard up in here. He's chilling with me. We got a new addition to the group. Backpack, man, sipping on my flip-flop. This little Pepto-Bismol right here, he's sipping on the ice cold style. You know how we do it out here. That's my man Armand right there. He's checking the perimeter. You feel me? Because we always know where we're going. He tells us what to do. That's Cardell right there, you know. That's Stuart Little. He gets the job done too. Yeah, you know how we're doing, but yeah, we just right now we're just chilling, you know, walking around. Just got off the show. I don't know where we headed though. You know, trying to find some girlies. We ain't finding nothing, no potential I see. You can look around if you want. Put the camera around there. No, good Lord. Yeah, nothing. So yeah, I don't know where we headed right now. Y'all, I'm gonna check. Look at my cup.
You got that drink in that cup.
That's extreme syrup.
Hey, now you just need to put it
know about extreme syrup. This is Pepto-Bismol, Dimetapp, Advil, cough syrup, Hawaiian punch, water, salt, ice, and bleach. Tastes great. The 5 stars right there. All about us. You know. Hey, Armand, man, check the perimeter. Check the perimeter. You're checking it for us. You're checking it. Yeah, my man Jay. Let my man Jay say some words, you know. That's my left-hand man. Hey, don't let me talk a little bit.
You know what I'm saying? You see my eyes? That's a treat.
Yeah, that was Jay. So we back, man. You gotta keep the camera rolling. You know what I'm saying? This backpack man right here. He's still on break. You wanna say some words?
With D-Mac.
Yeah. D-Mac.
Yeah, open day.
I'm hungry. I thought your name was Backpack Man.
It's fine.
You're fired. Thank you. Yeah, man. I just fired Backpack Man. You know, because that's how life works. Life is not a game.
No,
think everything is a game.
Okay.
It's really not. I'm not here struggling. What? I got this from a garbage can. Whoa. You think this is a game? I got this from right there.
Oh, okay. Hey.
Right there.
That's brown.
Okay. Brown?
Oh.
Look at this. Look at what I got on. I'm struggling. Dang. Struggling. Okay. Yeah, but we about to hit up a ride, so we're gonna hit you up later for part 4. Look out for me. Follow me on allstate.com. Get your insurance done. I'll get it for you. Look for me at Kroger, aisle 3. You know I'll be there with the microphone. You can check me out at La Rosis. I do a couple things up there. We're on our way up there right now. So yeah, check me out. See y'all later.